Hey guys, so what I'm doing here is
Take off.
I wanted to see how loud this
The
was,
home point has been
the
updated. Please
Mini
check it on
2,
the map.
how loud it was at different levels and height. Doing this recording through my iPad Mini, and I realized I probably should have done it with my Samsung phone, my Android phone, because the screen recorder I have that I use, it's it enables the onboard microphones on the phone, so you can actually hear what's going on along with what's on the screen. So anyway, what I do here is I shoot it up to 100 feet, which is right about there, and this is like 9:45 a.m. So it's fairly quiet. Everybody has gone to work, and I'm in my backyard, so it's pretty quiet. And audio level, you can hear it, but if you're walking with somebody and you're talking, minding your business, probably won't you probably won't hear it unless it's buzzing around. It tends to make more noise when it's flying compared to just hovering in a one spot. So that's four-time optical zoom. This is shooting in 1080p, and that's how you're able to zoom four times. In 2K, you can do three-time digital. In 4K, you can do two-time digital. So I just wanted to see the quality. So that's at 100 foot. Now I shoot it up to 150 feet up in the air. I'm doing this also just to, just to see what things look like with digital zoom on a bright day like this. And I think the picture looks great, especially being digital, not optical. So that's four-time optical zoom 1080p at 150 feet. Now, at 150 feet, the audio level probably it sounded like it went to half, and you could barely hear it as it was. So here, for sure, you wouldn't even notice it unless you look 150 feet up in the air. That's four time zoom. Now I'm shooting it up to 200 feet. Now here, for sure, you won't notice what the heck's going on. There's your four-time zoom, back to one-time zoom. So if there's any, a big scene anywhere, you want to shoot it up, kind of incognito, stick it in 1080p, and if it's bright enough, your pictures will look good. This is 1080p. There's your four-time optical, and you can see perfectly what's going on. That's at 200 feet up in the air. I mean, you can see all the parameters on the bottom left anyway. And I'm 40 feet from takeoff, and 199 feet up in the air. There's your one-time zoom. So now I shoot it up to 250 feet up in the air. And even at 250 feet, there's your one-time optical. Then I think I zoom in right about now. Yeah. 250 feet, you can still see perfectly what's going on. So if you really want to be incognito, shoot up to 200 to 250 feet. Do a four-time digital zoom, and you can see what's going on for sure. It's funny because I Googled, not that you're going to go chasing fires, but I Googled how high a regulation fire hose can shoot vertically, and it said 75 to 100 feet vertically, 100 feet with good pressure. So if you saw something like a huge fire, stay at least 200. I'd probably stay 250 feet to the side of it. Obviously not on top, and do a four-time digital zoom shooting at 1080p, and you'll get exactly you get a really good view of what's going on without being in the way, I guess. So now I'm just bringing it back down. So at least if you're curious at those different heights from 100 feet to 250 feet and the zoom levels, what they look like with a four-time optical zoom, that's pretty much a good sample right there on a bright day. And that's it.
Landing.